Assemblyman Dan Panico, Brookhaven Town Supervisor, County Executive Steve Bellone, County Legislator Ed Romaine, County Legislator Kate Brown. We're going to be very, very brief. We want to thank you for coming out. We want you, when you leave here, to go back and tell your friends and neighbors and co-workers that FEMA is here and will be here through 7 o'clock tomorrow night. If people miss them, they will be in Southold Monday and Tuesday, 7 to 7, and they will be in East Hampton Wednesday and Thursday, 7 to 7, providing access to what FEMA calls individual assistance, which takes two forms: potential for additional insurance coverage over and above personal insurance coverage, and then potential for low interest loans. We are all here together because we want people to understand that every level of government is working as hard as it can to coordinate the response to this tragedy. That's the only word for it. I'm sorry, and Gary Stiglitz is here from the Deputy Mayor of the Village of Mastic Beach, who has done Herculean work over the last several days to try to help the residents of Mastic Beach. So, just real quick, FEMA is responding very, very quickly. They have already helped 94 families in Suffolk County, have already distributed $650-some thousand. So this is very quick response on the part of FEMA. So once they are able to verify the claim, they move very quickly to provide assistance to families. So have as much documentation as you possibly can, and as I say, spread the word to your friends and family and co-workers so that they can access this help as well. With that, let me ask our county executive to say a few words, and then we'll get back to helping.
Well, thank you very much. First, let me thank Congressman Bishop for bringing this mobile FEMA site here and working to bring FEMA in on the ground as quickly as he has done. I think it is extraordinary what the fact that he cited that 5 days after the hurricane now, FEMA is not only on the ground, but has actually conducted home inspections and issued to 94 families financial support totaling $665,000 approximately. That is an incredible response, and I want to thank the Congressman for that. I want to thank my colleagues on the legislature, Ed Romaine and Kate Browning, for the work and the support that they have given. Certainly at the state level, we have seen an incredible response from Governor Cuomo, and I want to thank Senator Zeldin and Assemblyman Murray for their response. And we're coordinating at the town level and the village level. Let me say a couple of quick things. Number one, we have never seen the kind of devastation, not in my lifetime anyway, that we have seen from this storm. For most people, when power is restored, their lives will be able to get back to a sense of normalcy. But there are likely to be thousands of residents in our community, in our county, who are in homes that are uninhabitable. And we are working with our federal representatives, FEMA, on the ground here, and our local officials, and LIPA, very importantly, to make sure that we identify the long-term needs, because this will be a long-term effort. And what I want to say to people is that the commitment is here, I think certainly from the federal government and the state government, but at the local level, to help those residents who will need things over the long term. This will be a long-term effort, and we are here and committed for the long term. The last thing is, I want to just hold up this notice. We have gotten reports of potential scammers who are out there trying to say we're with LIPA or we're with some other agency, official agency. Let us into your home. If you think that may be happening, call our Consumer Affairs number at 1-800-909-5423. You can call that number if you see instances of price gouging, or if you think there is somebody in your neighborhood who is trying to take advantage of people who are in a desperate circumstance. Congressman, again, thank you for your support, and thank you for getting FEMA here so quickly.
Thank you. I just want to say one last thing, folks, about something that might be on your mind: access to gasoline. I have been assured that starting last night and extending for the the next 72 hours, approximately 5 million gallons of gasoline will find its way onto Long Island. So this is going to get better as each day passes, and the deliveries have resumed, the pipelines have reopened, the Port of New York has reopened, so we will begin the process of returning to normalcy there. One last thing, FEMA is here to help, but every other elected official here is also here to help, so contact any one of our offices and we will put you in touch with the right agencies to get you the help that you need. Thank you all very much and God bless you. Good luck. Thank you.